Today discuss about quadratic expressions part 11 exercise 3b. Today discuss about some concept. So sign of quadratic expression. Sign of quadratic expression. Sign means expression has positive or negative. Positive or negative. So discuss about the signs. Discuss about signs. Signs means positive or negative. So signs of quadratic expressions. If b square minus 4ac, here b square minus 4ac is called a, b square minus 4ac is called a discriminant of quadratic expression or equation. Discriminant. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Less than 0. Less than 0 means nature of the roots. Nature of the roots less than 0. Roots are non-real numbers. So here also b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Then ax square plus bx plus c, it is called a quadratic expression. Quadratic expression. Ax square plus bx plus c and a have a same sign. Same sign means here a is positive, a is greater than 0, then expression also is greater than 0. Expression also greater than 0. Or a is less than 0, a is less than 0, then expression is less than 0. Expression is less than 0. Right. First condition. Next, second one. If alpha comma beta are the roots of equation, if alpha comma beta are the roots of equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and a is less than b, a is less than b. So sorry, a is less than b, alpha is less than beta, alpha is less than beta, alpha less than beta. So write first condition. If alpha is less than x less than beta, alpha less than x less than beta means x is lies between alpha and beta, alpha and beta, then ax square plus bx plus c expression and a means coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square have a opposite signs, opposite signs. That means a is greater than 0, a is greater than 0, then expression is less than 0. Opposite signs, negative, positive, positive, negative. Okay, or a is less than 0, then expression is greater than 0. Expression is greater than 0. That means opposite signs. When alpha is less than x less than beta, x is lies between alpha and beta, here alpha is beta, alpha beta are called roots of equation, alpha beta are called roots of equation. So x is lies between alpha and beta, then ax square plus bx plus c and a have a opposite sign. Right. Second one, if x is less than alpha, x is less than alpha or x is greater than beta, okay, x is less than alpha, x is greater than beta, x value for value of x less than alpha greater than beta, less than alpha greater than beta means x does not lies between alpha and beta, x does not lies between alpha and beta, then ax square plus bx plus c and a have a same sign. Same sign means here a is greater than 0, a is greater than 0, then expression also is greater than 0. Same signs. A is less than 0, then expression also less than 0. So the signs depend on only coefficient, only for value of coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square means a, depend on a. Okay, so same sign. When x is less than alpha or x is greater than beta, then ax square plus bx plus c and a have a same sign. Right. Next, maximum and minimum, last concept in this chapter. Maximum and minimum, most important value, most important concept. So these concept have only 2 marks question. Okay, 2 marks, very short answer problem. Maximum or minimum value of the quadratic expression. So right, first one here, if a is greater than 0, a means coefficient of x square, a means coefficient of x square, a means coefficient of x square, a greater than 0, then expression has minimum value. Greater than means opposite, less than, and maximum. Greater than means minimum, less than means maximum, opposite signs. A is greater than 0, expression has minimum value, that is 4ac minus b square by 4a, 4ac minus b square by 4a at x equals to minus b by 2a. Next, if a is less than 0, if a is less than 0, then expression has, a is less than 0, expression has maximum value, that is 4ac minus b square by 4a at x equals to minus b by 2a. Same formula, but it is depend on coefficient of x square. Greater than means minimum value, less than means maximum value. Okay, this is last concept of in this chapter. Okay, right, discuss some more example problems. Discuss the signs of expression x square minus 5x plus 4, expression x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0 means equation, equal to 0 means equation. Here does not having the 0, so it is called a, it is called a expression, it is called a expression. So solve this one. Given expression x square minus 5x plus 4, x square minus 5x plus 4, find the roots by using factorization method or by using formula, any one. So right, so factorization method, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 4, 4 ones are 4, minus 4 minus 1. So write x square minus 4x minus x plus 4. Right, x minus x common, take the common x, x minus 4 in minus 1, x minus 4. Okay, right, x minus 4 into x minus 1. Okay, right, x values, write x values. One is x minus 1 equals to 0, that means x equal to 1, and x minus 4 equal to 0, x equals to plus 4, that value is 1 and 4, 1 and plus 1 and 4. So it is a less than, it is alpha, it is 4 greater than, 1 is less than beta, 1 is ante alpha is less than beta, alpha is 1, beta is 4, alpha is 1, beta is 4. Okay, alpha less than beta. So first condition, discuss about the signs, means here coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square is a equals to 1. A equals to 1. Coefficient of x over a is equal to 1. 1 is positive or negative? Positive. That means is greater than 0. A is greater than 0. A is greater than 0. So, first condition. What is the first condition? These quadratic expression signs, discuss about the signs having two condition. One is, first one is if alpha less than beta, alpha less than x less than beta, that means 1 is less than x less than beta means 4. First condition, x value lies in 1 and 4, lies between 1 and 4. Then ax square plus bx plus c and a have a opposite signs. So here a is greater than 0, a is greater than 0. Expression opposite signs means opposite, greater than means less than means greater than. Here a is greater than 0 when expression have less than 0. So that means x square minus 5x plus 4 is less than 0. In first condition opposite signs. See once again, greater than 0, less than 0. Right. In second condition, what is the second condition? If x is less than 1, 1 is small 1, less than 1, below 1, or x is greater than 4, above 4, below 1, then ax square plus bx plus c and a have a same sign. Here a is greater than 0. A is greater than 0 means expression also is greater than 0. Expression also is greater than 0. So both are same sign. That means x square minus 5x plus 4 is greater than 0. In first condition less than 0. In second condition greater than 0. Okay, right. Why? So first condition x lies between 1 and 4, then expression and coefficient of x square have a opposite sign. In second condition x less than 1 or x greater than 4, then ax square plus bx plus c and a have a same sign, that means greater than 0. Okay, discuss about the signs of quadratic expression.